Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with another product spotlight. This time we're talking about 2065 front for 82 to 92 Camaro and Firebird 3rd Gen. This weight jack system allows you to raise and lower the ride height of your 3rd Gen. The spring rates are 850 or 1050. It uses a 3/4 inch socket to adjust this bolt here. The bracket fits in with the key stalk against the spring here. Open part of the coil goes in the A-arm. The 2065F is a great way to change the ride height and improve the handling of your 3rd Gen Camaro and Firebird.